Okay, Kaveri, I think we can start.
Sir?
Yes. Yeah, please start, Kaveri.
Sir, can I start, sir?
Yes, please. Can you hear me? Hello, Kaveri. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So please start.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everybody. So today we are going to discuss regarding HLA typing.
We cannot hear you, Kaveri.
So can you hear, sir, now?
Yes.
Okay. So HLA typing, so which means HLA is expanded as a human leukocyte antigen. So first we are going to start with the introduction. So the proper, reliable and the proper and reliable HLA typing is first critical step for BMT planning and should be performed in a accredited laboratories and validated by a second independent test. So that is like a confirmatory. So in areas where consanguinity rates are high, it's very important to perform HR typing. So that is high resolution typing, even for MRD transplants. DNA based methods, ideally by SBT, so sequence based testing, are generally more reliable than serological ones. And the method like buccal swab technology based on DNA extracted from internal cheek epithelium is simple and reliable and globally applicable. For a general introduction to HLA typing. So here there is some methods like how we are going to do the HLA typing. So first one is serologic assays, cellular assays and molecular assays. And under serological assays, there is a micro lymphocytotoxicity test. And cellular assays, there are like mixed lymphocyte culture. And molecular assays, we have three. So that is sequence specific primer, sequence specific oligonucleotide probe, and sequence based testing. So we have two methods as we have seen the previous slide, like buccal swab method, and one we can collect through the sample as well as. So 3 to 5 ml of blood is collected in EDTA vials, both from donor and patient, are to be sent along with a letter identifying the sample's name, gender, code and relationship and age. So this is a buccal swab DNA HLA typing. So how we are going to do, like what is the process to do HLA typing? So first thing, like all patients and family members are to be typed and are to be registered in BMT Plus with at least full name, date of birth and relationship to the patient. A label with barcoding according to ISBT 128 standard is generated and affixed on a swab holding kit, and the consent is required for HLA typing. Buccal swabs are thoroughly rubbed multiple times on the inner cheek mucosa, being careful to rotate the swabs and cover as much as mucosal surface as possible. After letting dry for at least 30 seconds, the swabs are inserted on the corresponding pre-label holder. All swabs pertaining to a family are safely wrapped together with a corresponding signed consent form. So HLA kits are shipped to DKMS in Germany, and EFI accredited HLA laboratory which electronically sends results to be imported in BMT Plus. So consent forms are scanned and uploaded on the BMT Plus, or it will be mailed to HLA at Q2 children.organization. For each family, a report is generated and signed by the responsible physician. If there is a mismatch on only one allele, or if there is a reason to suspect that the report is unlikely, the DKMS will be approached to confirm that there is no mistake in reporting process. HLA typing will be offered to family members as follows. So the round 1 patient with immediate family members, including father, mother, and siblings. In round 2, if suitable donor is not identified in first round, if parents are consanguineous, then the typing may also be offered to a healthy aunts, uncles, and grandparents. Given the frequency of consanguinity and potential for genetic homogeneity of families, high resolution, that is 6 loci A, B, C, DRB1, DQB1, and DPB1, typing is required at least at one of the stages. So this is a high resolution HLA typing report. If there is disagreement between the initial and the confirmatory HLA typing, histogenetics USA or any other accredited lab providing high resolution HLA typing will be used for a third HLA typing report. So this is the HLA reports, one of the patient's HLA report. So HLA, in this image, the HLA is present in 6th chromosome. So when we consider like a HLA fully matched, they like we have in SOP called as 10 by 10 matched. Thank you.
Very good, Kaveri. Thank you. Any questions?
No, sir, from our side.
Okay. Okay, so let's proceed with the poll. Okay, so let's start. So you have 5 minutes as usual.
Done, sir.
Hmm.